Hi, the Insta360 device has a touchscreen. Touchscreen works in various ways. By pulling down, up, or sideways will bring various menus up. Pulling down will take you to icons where you'll find things such as the settings, lock screen, timer, sounds, grid, and various other modes. Pulling it back up will take you back to the main page. Then pulling from the right inwards will take you to the image settings of color, brightness, white balance, auto or manual mode, and so on. Pulling that back towards the right will take you back to the main page. Then you can pull upwards, and that will take you to the image resolution, the video resolution, aspect ratio, HDR, stabilization, and settings such as those. Pulling that back down, take you back to the main page, and finally pulling inwards from the left will take you to the files that you have on the device. You can have various views, you can do them as thumbnails, or you can just scroll through one by one. So as so forth, like that. And those are the main features of the touchscreen. Hope the information was helpful. Thanks for watching.